Good morning, class. Our today's topic is viewing your courses, course materials, and video lectures. In this topic, we are going to see that if we need to see our course materials, where we will go and see our video lectures. So, are we all ready? So, let's start. What can you see? I can see a bag and a boy, or I can say a boy with his bag. Yes? Okay. So, class, I want you all to bring your bags and take out everything you have in your bag. Come on, quickly. Take your bag, bring your bag here, take out everything from inside and tell me, what can you find from inside? Books, notebooks, pencil case, ruler, geometry box, colors. Maybe many of them, they have many other things. Maybe they have files, maybe they have pen colors, maybe they have notes, notepad, many other things. So this is, we are going to study that in our class era, where we will find our courses. Like in your bag, we will find all your books, notebooks, pencil cases, ruler, geometry box, colors in your bag. Okay, so learning objectives of today. Number 1, to be able to view your courses, course materials, and video lectures. Number 2, to identify the courses, course materials, and video lectures. Number 3, to follow the instructions given in an orderly manner. So, let's start. How to view your courses. This is our page in class era. Yes? Okay. Here we can find all our subjects. From the side menu, click on courses. This is our side menu. It's saying click on courses and then double click for sub menu. Click on courses, then click on for sub menu. What will appear? Appears your course list. It will appear like this. Let me show you my class era account. Now this is my home page. Okay, I want to see my courses. On the left side, on the main menu, you can find the word courses. Click on this courses and then it will show you a list, or show all courses, art, Arabic, what subject you want. But now I'm going to click on show all courses. I'll click on it. Now it will open for me my page with all subjects: art, Arabic, ESL, English, French, ICT, Islamic, maths, PE, PSHE, Qatar history and social studies, and science. This is how I will view my course. Again, I will tell you, click on courses on the left side of the main menu. Click on show all courses. It will open up all the subjects. It will open for me all the subjects. Okay. Then, how to browse content. We have opened our courses. Now we know how to open our courses, but how are we going to browse our content, and how are we going to see our course materials and video lectures? So, this is the screenshot of all the subjects, of all the courses over there. English. This one. This is, I'm going to click on course materials. Number 1, what I will do? From course page, browse content, course materials or video lectures. Okay. Then, if I'll open my course materials, it will open for me a list. Number 2, it will open for me a list. Number 3, choose view, what you want to do. Let me open my class era and I'll show you. Now, this is my courses with all different subjects. For example, I want to open my ICT. When I will just take my mouse on ICT. I will not click anywhere yet. I can find over here browse content, course material, video lectures. What I need to open, whether I need to open my video lectures or course material. Now, if I'm going to click on my course material, this is my course material window. Now, this is my course material window of ICT. There are 1, 2, 3 course materials uploaded in Classera. Now, I want to see this. Where am I going to click? I'm going to click on this download. When I'll click on download, it will download the file in your computer. It will ask you to save it, and then it will open it, and then I can browse or I can see my course material. Clear? This is the way we will browse our course material. Once again, I'll tell you again. If I need, I'll go back to my Classera homepage. If I need to open my courses, click on courses. Show all courses from the main menu. Click on it. It will open for me all the courses, all the subject courses. Then, if I need to browse my course materials or video lectures of any subject, where am I going to click? I'll just bring my cursor here. Browse content, course materials, video lectures. I'll click on, now I will give you an example of video lectures. Click on video lectures. Now, it will open for me this again. Okay? Now, I have 1, 2, 3 video lectures in it again. So, if I want to see this, I will click on view. I will click on view. For example, I will just show you this. Click view. See? Now, if I need to play, I can play over here. Clear? Okay. So, this is how we are going to browse our course materials. Okay? Next. As I showed you, when I'll click on view the video, it will open this one. So whatever here is the video, okay? Then we have the video title. That what is the title of the video? Teacher name, who has created this? Then we have 2 buttons over here, like and understand. If you like the video, you can click on like. And if you understand the video, you can click on this understand. Then we have a column for comments. If you have any comments, if you want to comment about this video, you will write over here. Let me show my Classera again. Now, this is my video that I want to play. This is the video. Title of the video, Introduction to Classera. Teacher name, Miss Samiha Salim. Okay, date created. Then like. If you like the video, after you see the video, you will click on like. If you understand the video, you can click on understand. Then comment. If I need to write any comment, if I need to give a comment to this video, I can write over here and I can click on save. Clear? Okay. Let's go back to our presentation. Save. Then, do you have a question? We also have a box that if we need to ask our teacher any questions. Let us see. If I go down, see. Below the comments box, I have, do you have a question? I have a box here. I can type any question you need to ask your teacher related to your video and then send. The question will be sent to your teacher. Clear? Okay. What can we see on this page? We see material info, that who has created the video. Then download file, that's for the PowerPoint. Evaluating attachment, like or understand. Then add comments. add a comment or send a question or comment to the teacher. Clear? As I showed you in my Classera. Clear? Okay. Next. So, what did we learn today? We learned how to view courses. We learned how to browse content, course materials, video lectures. We learned to follow instructions in an orderly manner. Yes? Okay. Now, I have created for you few questions in Classera in assignments. After you are done watching this video, you will go to Classera online assignment and you will answer the questions related to the same topic. Okay? If you have any questions on this topic, please feel free to ask me. Okay? Thank you so much.